Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how make movie short using new feature from Leonardo AI. Don't forget to give me appreciation for this video tutorial by clicking the like button below.
Part 1.
The first way I will ask GPT chat for help to create a story idea. This method is often done by many people because it is easier and more practical.
Before asking GPT chat for help to create a video script, provide a reference so that GPT chat understands what you need. This method is quite difficult because you have to create images and videos frame by frame. If the results are different, you will repeat it again until the image you want is successfully created. I have a second way that is easier, so you can choose whether the first or second way is easier. Part 2. Open Leonardo AI, copy and paste the script you made earlier using the GPT chat. Generate images frame by frame, and this takes a long time because you have to choose good images to make into videos. Click the icon below for you to use the latest feature of Leonardo AI. You can also set the motion strength mode here. When you use this feature, you will spend 25 tokens. So to make a short movie, you will spend a lot of tokens in Leonardo AI. This is the first way that I think is a bit difficult because it will spend a lot of tokens. Okay, we will try the second way this time. Will not ask for help. ChatGPT, you will only use one text prompt. The second way, I use only one sentence text prompt. Type pirate ship sailing into a bioluminescent sea with a galaxy in the night sky. Epic. 4K, ultra, high quality. Click Generate. I will ask Leonardo AI to create 4 different images because AI will create images randomly. And here, I use the Albedo Base XL and Dynamic model. After you get 4 different images, use Generate Image Motion to make the image move. Set the motion strength in each different image so that each image has a different motion. After you have finished setting all the motions, now you just need to download the results. Part 3. Text-to-speech. You can use any text-to-speech, but here I recommend 11 Labs because it is more varied. The next step is to use the script that you made in the ChatGPT, but if you have your own script, it is better. Final result.
Pirate on the ocean. Open with a moonlit sky and a ship sailing through dark waters. Captain Blackbeard, a weathered pirate with a menacing beard, stands at the helm. Wide shot of the pirate ship cutting through the waves. Ominous music playing. Captain Blackbeard scans the horizon with a spyglass, a glint in his eye. Sailors scramble on the deck, loading cannons and sharpening cutlasses. In the distance, a mysterious island emerges.